The K13-Lite DTF Printer Pink stands out with its beginner-friendly design and cost-effective maintenance, making it an excellent choice for newcomers to apparel printing. Its automated cleaning system is a remarkable feature, reducing white ink clogging by a significant 85% through scheduled cleanings every 10 hours. The printer's white ink circulation system is a standout, operating every 30 minutes to prevent sedimentation and extend the printhead life by up to 5 times. An innovative infrared safeguard system enhances the printer's reliability by detecting debris as small as 2 millimeters, thereby preventing 90% of common failures. With G7 certified color accuracy, the K13-Lite ensures vibrant and consistent colors, providing a seamless transition from screen to fabric. Procolored offers exceptional customer support with an extended 12-month warranty and 2 free printhead replacements if needed, alongside dedicated service availability 6 days a week.